Running a full-featured Microsoft SQL Server on a Mac used to be a headache. But in 2026, thanks to Rosetta 2 and Docker, you can run the enterprise-grade engine directly on any M-series Mac. Here's how to set it up from scratch. Step 1. Because there is no native ARM version of the full SQL Server engine, we need Rosetta 2 to translate Intel instructions. Open your terminal and run this command. This ensures your Mac can handle the SQL Server environment. Step 2. Now we need Docker Desktop. Make sure you download the Apple Silicon version. Once downloaded, double-click the docker.dmg file to mount it. Drag the Docker icon to the Applications folder to complete the installation. Once it's installed and running, there is one crucial setting you must enable. In the Docker settings under General, ensure Use Virtualization Framework is checked. Then make sure Use Rosetta for Emulation is also selected. Without this, the SQL Server container will not start on an M-series chip. Step 3. Choose your version. As of this video in early 2026, you can go with a stable release, such as SQL Server 2022, or the 2025 preview, which includes new AI-ready functions and vector data types. You can see these options on the official Microsoft image listing on Docker Hub. Although it's listed on the Docker Hub, we'll actually be pulling it directly from Microsoft servers. Once you've decided on which version to install, use the Docker pull command to download the image to your machine. This might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Step 4. Once the image has finished downloading, we can launch the container. We do this with the docker run command. This command sets your password, maps the port, and accepts the licensing agreement. Importantly, for those of us on Apple Silicon machines, it also uses the platform flag to specify the target operating system and architecture. Your server is now starting up in the background. Step 5. Now that SQL Server has been installed, we can go ahead and connect to it. Feel free to use your tool of choice. VS Code with the SQL Server extension is a popular option for Mac users. You can create a new connection using localhost as the server and SA as the username, along with the strong password that you provided earlier. In VS Code, you have the option of specifying the port number in the advanced connection settings. Once connected, you can run a quick query to check that SQL Server is running as expected. For example, you can query the SQL Server version. If you see the version details in your results pane, you are officially up and running. By using the full Docker engine, you get 100% feature parity with production servers. Your Mac is now a professional-grade SQL development environment. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more SQL tips. You can find all the code snippets used in this video via the link in the description. Thanks for watching.